What's up, my dudes? Today we are building Tamiya's Taisan Starcard Porsche 911 GT2. I got this model in Florida a few weeks back, but I'm really excited to build it. As you can see here, we have the front view of the car. I am going to be building the version with the stripes and not the checkers. As we open the box, we see the instructions first. Again, they're nice and neat and easy to understand in regular Tamiya fashion, where it kind of folds apart like a brochure. As you can see there are all the paints. So if you want to build this model as well, you might want to pause the video to look at the paints to see what you need. Like I said, here's the instructions. And then the final assembly part of the instructions. And then the decal guide. As we look further into the box, we see the glass sprue. I think the glass looks really crisp. So that's my thoughts on it. It looks very clear, especially once you take the plastic off. Here's the second sprue. It has mostly interior and suspension parts and a few engine parts. This model does not have a full engine, but has a few parts of it where you can still see an engine underneath. And then it has chrome rims, along with other chrome parts like the headlight buckets. I will be painting the inside of the rims gold to match with the box. Here's the body. I really like the shape of the body. I like the curves on it, and that's just not really Tamiya's fashion, but the Porsche is fashion. But yeah, I really like the car. As we look in at the last sprue, we have the chassis, the roll cage, so a few more interior parts, but mostly exterior parts. The spoiler, other parts of it that will go on when the chassis gets put on. And then we have the wheels. They are slicks. They have little lines in the middle, but I don't think I'm going to sand them off. And then it also comes with poly caps, so I'm assuming with that you can actually make the wheels turn. Last but not least, we have all of the decals. Unfortunately, I don't know what there is on that little plate or template right there, the little piece of paper. But I'm gonna assume more decals, because I have not taken them out of their plastic yet to conserve them for as long as I can. But they're just the decals. Love.